Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI All-in-One Liquid Cooling Unit. So friends, the All-in-One Water Cooling Liquid Unit from MSI are completely compatible with AMD socket AM5 motherboard and the company stated, and friends, the socket AM5 LGA1718 motherboards will be used as the platform for AMD's next generation Ryzen 7000 series of processors. Nevertheless, and the CPU cooler bracket remains unchanged, and all of AMD's water cooling units are backwards compatible with AM5 motherboard. And if you want to use the integrated liquid cooling system, you may attach the motherboard's backplate and two MEG series models. For MPG series model and 7 MEG series models were revealed this time around, and all of them need the socket AM5 backplate attached to the motherboard. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.